Question number 16. Show that the function f is from n to n. F is from n to n, defined by f of n is equal to n square is injective. It is, you have to show that it is injective means what? 1 1. You have to show that it is 1 1 or injective. Any word you can use. Injective. So we will do, let here fn is equal to n square, it is given, means fx is equal to x square. If fx is given, we are taking x1 comma x2. So we can take n1 comma n2 also. Let n1 comma n2 belongs to natural numbers from domain such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2, f of x1 is equal to f of n1 is equal to f of n2. So you will get n1 square is equal to n2 square. So I can say here definitely n1 will be equal to n2, because here n1 is equal to what? 1, n2 is also equal to 1, because I can't take minus 1. If it is 1 square, then it is also 1 square, because 1 minus 1 does not belong from natural number. So only if n1 square is equal to n2 square, in only one condition, when n1 is equal to n2, when it belongs to natural numbers. So I can say that the function is what? 1 1 or function is injective. Is it clear? Now question number 17. Question number 17, you can see, is the function f is from n to n, f is defined from n to n, f is from n to n, defined by fm is equal to f of m is equal to m square plus m plus 2. 1 1 is the function 1 1. Is f of m is equal to m square plus m plus 2. 1 1. You have to check whether it is 1 1 or not. If it is not 1 1, you have to justify your answer. So let m1 comma m2. Here m is given, so I am taking m1 m2. If x is given, generally we take x1 comma x2. So let m1 comma m2 belongs to natural numbers from domain such that f of m1 m2 belongs to n from domain such that, let's start from here, m1 is not equal to m2. m1 is not equal to m2. If m1 is not equal to m2, and if we prove that f of m1 is also not equal to fm2, then I can say that function is 1 1. If both are not equal, already I am taking m1 is not equal to m2, so I have to prove that f of m1 also is not equal to fm2. If I have to prove that function is 1 1, but I have to check whether it is 1 1 or not. So I will find fm1 also and fm2 also. But already I stated that m1, m2 belongs from natural numbers from domain such that m1 is not equal to m2. So let's take f of m1. First we will solve f of m1 is equal to what? m1 square plus m1 plus 2. And fm2 will be what? m2 square plus m2 plus 2. I know both are not equal. So the f of m1 also not be equal to fm2, then function will be not 1 1. But let's take reverse, opposite. Let's f of m1, let's take f of m1 is equal to f of m1 is equal to f of m2. Sorry, already we stated that m1 is not equal to m2. Now we will solve f of m1 is equal to f of m2. I will solve. So we will get what? m1 square plus m1 plus 2 is equal to m2 square plus m2 plus 2. Plus 2 cancel. This m1 square, this m2 square. It will be what? m1 square minus m2 square is equal to this m2, this plus m1 will go that side, so minus m1. So here I can write m1 minus m2, m1 plus m2 is equal to, here it is m2 minus m1, so I will take minus common, I will write m1 minus m2. So here m1 minus m2, m1 minus m2 cancels. So m1 plus m2 is equal to what? Minus 1. m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 1. So you can see here, this is a natural number. Or what we did, m1 is not equal to m2. and we wrote fm1, fm2. Now we are saying let's take fm1 is equal to fm2. Is it possible or not? If it is not possible, means what? It is 1-1 function, because m1 is not equal to m2, so fm1 is not equal to fm2. But we took reverse, that fm1 is equal to fm2. So we are getting this condition m1 plus m2 is equal to -1. How is it possible if m1 is equal to what? Natural number, and this is also natural number. Natural number plus natural number cannot be equal to -1. m1 plus m2 is equal to -1. It is not possible, because natural number plus natural number always will be a natural number. But here we are not getting natural number. -1 is not a natural number. -1 does not belong to natural number. If natural number plus natural number, you should get natural number. But this condition is not true, means whatever we stated here, fm1 is equal to fm2, it is not true. So I can say f of m1 is not equal to f of m2. So m1 is not equal to fm1 is not equal to fm2. So I can say the function is 1-1. Is it clear? Now question number 18. Question number 18, you can see. What is the range of the function fx is equal to mod of x minus 1 upon x minus 1. Fx is equal to mod of x minus 1 upon x minus 1. What is the range of this function? It is given. So, for range of a function, let y is equal to what? Mod of x minus 1 upon x minus 1. Is it clear? So, two cases we have to solve. Case number 1 and case number 2. When x minus 1 modulus value is greater than 0. If mod of x minus 1 is greater than 0, it means what? Mod of x minus 1 is equal to what? X minus 1 only. You know this formula. If x is greater than 0, then mod of x is equal to what? X. If x is less than 0, mod of x is equal to what? Minus x. This is the formula. If x is greater than 0, mod of x is equal to x. And if x is less than 0, mod of x is equal to minus x. So when x minus 1 is greater than 0, then mod of x minus 1 is equal to what? X minus 1. So y will be what? At the place of mod x minus 1, I will write x minus 1 upon x minus 1. So we will get what? 1. Case number 2. When x minus 1 is less than 0, then mod of x minus 1 will be what? Minus x minus 1. So y will be what? At the place of mod x minus 1, I will write minus x minus 1 upon x minus 1. This cancels, so you will get minus 1. So in this case, you are getting 1. Here you are getting minus 1. So range of a function is what? Minus 1, 1. Only two values you are getting. So that's why I am writing minus 1, 1. It is not from minus 1 to 1 or minus 1 and 1 are included. Only two values you are getting. Minus 1 and 1. So this is the range of a function. Now question number 19. Question number 19. Find the domain of the function fx is equal to 1 upon 5 minus 3 sin x. Fx is equal to 1 upon 5 minus 3 sin x. You know, for domain of a function, fx must be a real number. Fx must be a real number. It means for df 1 upon 5 minus 3 sin x must be a real number. It means 5 minus 3 sin x is not equal to 0. It means 5 is not equal to 3 sin x, or sin x is not equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3, it will come equal to what? 1.66 something. So it is sin x is not equal to 1.66. So already you know sin x value is between between minus 1 to 1. You know sin x value is between minus 1 to 1. Here it is what? Sin x is not equal to 1.66. So it is not possible. So range is what? Between minus 1 to 1. So you know, so x belongs to R. So x belongs to R. So df is equal to what? All real numbers. Is it clear? Df is equal to all real numbers. Is it clear? df is equal to what? I. All real numbers. Sin x is equal to this. Sin x is not equal to 5 by 3, means sin x is not equal to 1.66. We know that sin x is not equal to 1.66. This is true. So, minus 1 to 1. Range is this. So, df is equal to what? All real numbers. Is it clear? Now, question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 20. Find the range of the function fx is equal to 1 upon 2 minus cos x. 1 upon 2 minus cos x. You have to find range of a function. So let's start from here. You know cos x value is between minus 1 to 1. But here you need what? 2 minus cos x. 1 upon 2. So start from here. Minus cos x you need first here. So multiply equation with minus 1. Multiply with minus 1. If you multiply with minus 1, whole equation will change. Less than equal to sign will be greater than equal to. Minus 1 into minus 1 will be what? 1. Less than equal to will be what? Greater than equal to. It will be minus cos x. It will be greater than equal to, and this 1 is multiplying with minus 1, so it will be minus 1. Is it clear? Now if they need 2 minus cos x, so add 2. Add 2 in equation 1. So 2 plus 1 greater than equal to 2 minus cos x greater than equal to 2 minus 1. So 3 greater than equal to 2 minus cos x greater than equal to 1. But here you need 1 upon 2 minus cos x, because I have to write fx here. So I will do 1 upon 3. So I will write 1 upon 3 greater than equal to 1 upon 2 minus cos x greater than equal to 1 upon 1. So 1 by 3 to this value is what? 1 upon 2 minus cos x is what? F of x greater than equal to 1. So 1 by 3 greater than equal to 1. So y value is between what? Maximum it is what? Y value is between 1 by 3. 1 minute, I have done mistake. 1 by 3 comma 1. Value is from 1 by 3 to 1. 1 by 3 to 1. 1 by 3 to 1, and this bracket because these values are included. So this is the range of the function. Thank you.